Hi, this is James White, two-time Super Bowl champion, and we're here at Autodesk to learn something about design. Let's go check it out. This is the place where you take an idea and you bring it to reality. We're about to meet some students. They're gonna help me do that.
Hello, man. How you doing, man?
How you doing, James? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Dana.
Nice to meet you.
I've always been interested in bowling. I just bought my first bowling ball.
So I just wanted to come here and kind of redesign my own bowling shoes.
Okay, Sweetie, we got you.
So what do you guys think is important in having in the shoe?
You need to have a shoes with a straight sole.
Okay.
Gotta be low friction.
Because you want to slide.
Yeah.
Once you have your design finalized, you can 3D print a scaled model.
So at the Technology Centers, we like to experiment with other risk takers to, explore the future of different ideas, and it's like running plays before a big game.
What you girls got for me?
Here you go, sweetie.
I told you, we got you.
I like them. It came out nice. Really nice.
Nice work.
I think design is very important for kids to get involved in. I think to be able to learn at such a young age will only help them make this world a better place. For whatever you want to do, if that's what you truly believe you want to do, just keep putting your best foot forward and just believe in yourself.
So which one of you won the Autodesk Make It Real competition last year?
We did.
Make it real. Per tots els catalans, fes-ho real.
Imagina y hazlo una realidad.
Fais imagination en réalité.
Para todos os cabo-verdianos, faz o impossível possível.
Enter the Autodesk competition and make it real!